All right. Hey guys, crude oil, Sunday, October 8th, 2023. This is my personal video trade journal, not to be taken as advice. So last week I was talking about the strat method in my video, and you can see what happened here. We did get below uh, a level that I view as a clue, 89.25. And what I was saying last week is that below 89.25 opens the door for the lower levels based on strat method. You can really see just very clearly here how simple the strat method is. And usually I just use it as a clue generating method, which I think is a very good one at that. And it works on all time frames. I personally like to use it on the longer time frames just for top level clues. And that's what I got last week, and it helped. It helped me start off the week right, looking short, getting below 89.25. Did I know it was going to come all the way down and make a new low within a week into the first month? The first week of the new month? Absolutely not. But that's what happened. And the strat method was a really nice clue. Looking at the strat, same thing here. This is they have names for this in strat. I won't get into it, but when you break multiple lows in a row like that, bop, 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 four in a row. Now we're down here. So where is this thing going to stop? Where is it going to bottom? Well, I got to look at a lower time frame, one more lower time frame to get an idea of that. So we'll look at the daily. Here you can really see what's going on with these levels. The support level's working. This resistance level's working. This resistance level's working. So just really basic common sense kind of trading is the first move back down here. It's testing that. So what was once resistance is now support. So it's testing this as support. I think that means it bounces soon. Is that enough for me to go long? Absolutely not. But it's just a clue. So drilling down to the 4 hour, I think this is really the chart that lately, meaning the last many weeks, has been my best friend. What I'm seeing here is look at the MACD starting to curl up a little bit. Look at the RSI. This is a positive divergence right here, because on this lower low, it made a higher low. But this tool is actually noisier, and some might argue it's a leading indicator. I'll leave that to the professionals to correct me. But this one here is always in front of these others. So this is showing you a positive divergence. It doesn't mean that the bottom is in. It's just a clue. But what I would say is that this is bottoming. So I am stalking long. Unfortunately, it's very messy down here. It's already extended. No matter how I measure this, I'm not loving it. There's other potential scenarios regarding this part up here, which, let me go back over here. This whole thing is this the top of 5 or is this the top of 5? If this is really a perfect ABC, look at that, hitting the 382 almost to the penny. That's incredible. Just leaving it as an ABC right to there. But the problem I have with that is if this is a wave 4, meaning this is wave 3, ABC for wave 4. The problem is that suggests that a wave 5 is going to come up into here, and that makes these proportions for this wave 5, if it's way up here, to be completely wacky. That's just whack. So unfortunately, this looks just like what a wave 4 should look like, but I don't think it is a wave 4, so I just have to say it's a wave A wave. So really, I'm looking for this to bottom. The problem is this, it doesn't look like it's bottomed yet, and then you have this massive geopolitical event that just happened. So is this just going to gap up today at the open, just gap up and then screw everybody around and make it hard to get into long entry, and then maybe it still comes back down after? Who knows? This looks corrective to me. So if it weren't for the geopolitical thing, I would be looking to get long right from down here, 80.35 being the perfect target for one more low if it wants to drop. But with the geopolitical stuff, I'm going to be surprised by nothing, including a gap up at the open. So we'll have to wait and see. I'm flat stalking long. That's all I got. All right. Good luck, guys. See ya.